the road of Kakani in Nuwakot. This highway is also known as the Trout Highway, and we are heading towards our favorite trout farm. And on the way, we'll be discovering a beautiful magical waterfall hidden in the deep jungle of Kakani. And we have now arrived at our favorite trout farm, which we have been visiting ever since our very first trek to Langtan. This is one of the very first trout farm in Kakani. And if you are driving through this location or visiting this region, we highly recommend this trout farm for some tasty local delicacy and beautiful hospitality.
लोकल चामल एकदम मिठो छ हुन्छ
And here we have the kitchen with the locally grown produce and freshly caught trouts. The lunch is served. We have some locally grown cucumber for salad, freshly picked from the garden, locally grown potatoes and green veggies, and of course the trout curry. The meal prepared with authentic local Nepali style with local produce is truly tasty and very filling. We really enjoyed it. With our tummy full, we head on back on the road to discover a magical waterfall. The road towards the waterfall diverts from the main highway through some scenic landscape alongside beautiful river and lush green vegetation. The road leading to the waterfall now gets more narrower. It's a single track road across village side farmlands, fields of rice and cornfields. After riding through some adventurous mountainside road, we have arrived at a parking space, and from here we will begin our short hike towards the hidden magical waterfall of Kakani. Just a few minutes hike from the parking space, we come across these stairways, steep stairways, which lead us towards the beautiful waterfall down below. It's a truly mesmerizing and a magical experience to come across such a beautiful waterfall. It is an amazing experience driving through some beautiful countryside mountain road of Kakani, through some ever-changing monsoon weather, across numerous roadside waterfall, and enjoying a fulfilling lunch at our favorite trout farm, and of course, discovering this magical, beautiful waterfall. The waterfall is situated just a short drive from Kathmandu, and the journey towards it is truly amazing. We definitely recommend this place to be on your bucket list. And yes, along the way, don't forget to visit our favorite trout farm. You will love it.